Next question. This is another question that we got from a client. What's their question, Mikey? You know what I'm going to do, since you're a client, you can actually download the one-page agency site. I'll drop a link down below this YouTube video and you can get it. But essentially, a lot of the times, you know, when you're a freelancer, most of the time you're getting your business from word of mouth. Your income is roller coaster income. You have a lot of anxiety because it's almost like you've just left your 9-to-5 job and now you're becoming an entrepreneur, and there's like 1 or 2 people that are paying you, maybe it's 3, but you don't have a consistent stream of new people coming in. And when you're running an agency, it doesn't matter how good you are. Trust me, people's life happens, people's businesses change, people have circumstances, people are people, and you don't know how long that client is going to be with you. Okay, like I've had clients that would pay, say, you know, 10K a month, $40,000 a month, and then boom, one day they drop. Now, you know, I've always kind of diversified lots of different traffic sources and income streams and stuff. And so I've been, you know, all praise to God. I'm all right, okay, I'm all right. However, I know a lot of business owners, they're not like that, or freelancers, they're not like that. They'll jump from one customer to another customer, and you know, then they're working over hours, then they're burning themselves out, then they're frustrated, then they question themselves why they even started freelancing. They should have just gone back to being an employee into a safe job. So what I'm sharing with you is, one, you have to have a funnel, and the reason why you have to have a funnel, or you know, sales funnels. And what a sales funnel is, essentially it's like a website, except it's very simple, very clean, and it's a series of steps where people can come in, find you, get educated on who you are, what you do, why you do it, and then make a buying decision. Okay, so for example, you're a freelancer right now, and you know, you don't have a sales funnel, you don't have a one-page website, or you don't have a one-page funnel, which I'm going to give to you. So what you're doing is, you know, you're probably texting people, you're probably on Upwork, or you're asking your friends and family, or maybe you've been employed by a previous friend or family, or someone that you met at a live event or something and you got excited by. The truth of the matter is, that's great, by the way, good job, okay? Congratulations for getting there so far. Now what you want to do is making sure that you have this funnel, and you're feeding the funnel every single month. New leads, new prospects, new people are finding you every single month. They're coming in, they're getting to know you without you having to tell them what you do, okay? And the reason why I'm saying this is, and I don't mean to be arrogant, or I don't mean to say, you know, be cocky and all of this stuff. Like, a sales funnel obliterates the need for you to do one-on-one stuff. You know, if someone says to me, hey, what do you do? It's so much better if I just say, hey, you know, I have a website, I don't say it's a sales funnel. I say, hey, go check out my site. And on the site, you can register and learn for free about exactly what I do and why I do it and how I do it. Okay, and now they go in and they can watch a 20-minute, a 30-minute case study. And that's what you want to do, right? Once you get your first 5 or 10 clients and they said some good things about you, you want to package them up, put them in some sort of case study, and then you can, it's like a simple slides, you know, 30, 50, 100 slides, and you record over it. So people come to your agency, they opt in, and then on the second page, there's a case study. They watch the video, and underneath, they can book a phone call. That's how you have people coming to you instead of you chasing people, instead of you begging people. Because what will happen is, as a freelancer, okay, once upon a time, you know, all praise to God, I think I was a freelancer maybe like 10 years ago. What will happen is, one day you're charging like $5,000 for your service, next day you need the money, so you'll charge $500, right? Like the income is going to be up and down roller coaster. So what happens when you have a funnel, it educates and pre-motivates and pre-sells and excites people to do business with you without having them come and, you know, spend hours with you. Like, I have a rule with myself is, I don't necessarily, I'm not gonna spend more than 50 minutes telling someone what I do. And even if, when it comes to that, I always just say, you know what, it's best if you're interested in this, this whole digital marketing arena, just go and check out my site. It's only when people have gone through and they're actual qualified prospects and leads, and they have a high probability of buying my products and services, then and only then would I take a call, okay? Because I know, if a client speaks to me, or if someone who's gone through my products and services, they'd be very interested, sold, aware that my prices are $3,000, $10,000 and more. Does that make sense? So hopefully that has helped you. In terms of books, make sure you pick up Backpack Millionaire. You can go to backpackmillionaire.com. I'll put a link underneath this video. It actually shows you how you can transition from 9-to-5 employee / freelancer to a full-time business owner. Okay, so grab a copy of this book, backpackmillionaire.com. Another book that I'd recommend is Perry Marshall's 80/20 Sales and Marketing. It's one of my favorite books ever, and I've read it so many times. So make sure you read that book. There is a few other books. I actually did a book which is called 10 Books Every Entrepreneur Should Read. We'll put a link up on this video. Make sure you go grab that video, because I'm sure it's going to help you a lot. Anyway, thank you so much for your questions. If you have any other questions for Shaqir Hussyin, let me know. Okay, we're doing these Ask Shaqir Hussyin episodes on a day-to-day basis right now. I aim to publish one of these per day. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe, click on the like button, the notification, smash the bell button. That's what I'm supposed to say, right? Smash the bell button, leave a comment, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.